Hey guys, Summer Cousins here. Welcome back to the channel. And today, we're going to the beach. Alright, so everybody's all here. The gang's all here. I'll meet the taxi right now. Say cheese, guys. Cheese. We're on our way to go meet the taxi over Charlotte for the day. Carry us all the way to...
She lives a lie. She calls a paparazzi, then she acts surprised. Oh, I know what she needs. She just want the fame. I know what she thinks. Give it like it tastes, run it back to me. Put it in the face, pray it's all to keep. Ooh, every night. She prays to the sky, flashing
Taj.
And in the green basket, I have
kill anyone to be popular. Sell her soul to be popular.
Hey guys, so we got to the beach. I am the Iceman for today. Stripping. How you guys feeling?
pretty good.
Hot. Love to see it. Love to see it. This feel like summer for real. Only people at the beach. Yes, again, let me show you all the scenery. Dang, the sun always hot. Woo. How you feeling?
I'm feeling good, like I'm ready to play some volleyball with you guys.
Nice, nice. How you feeling, man? How you feeling? Want to sleep. Want to sleep? It's crazy. How you feeling, Brittany?
Great.
Love to see it. Love to see it. How about you? How you feeling? Relaxed?
I feel like I needed this so bad.
Real thing. After that exam.
Yeah.
How you feeling, Chanel?
Oh, I'm feeling so great right now.
Lovely, lovely. Me too. I too. I'm feeling. Wait, no, the sun. I too. I'm feeling good. Oh, that hit where that did hit where you think it hit. Right there.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Do you?
Why do you know about it?
That's having like an area where you feel like a cool in the water. Hit.
Alright guys, so we're out here at the beach. You already know this is Boardwalk Beach. We always come here like at the end of exam time or before exam time. And the group of friends, you know, we're outside.
I hope the audio isn't too bad.
Yes, sir. Are you videoing my underpants too?
No, I wasn't.
Yes, we're here at the beach. Boardwalk Beach.
Yeah, that's right. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Are you guys going to change?
Yeah.
Oh.
People them could not wait to go in the water.
Don't look at my mom. It's not really good.
Woo! That's a bro, Gym bad.
Nah, this not the gym, but it's like a dad bod type shit.
Yeah, the water warm. Go about warming, question mark?
Exactly. It's exactly. You want this now?
Summer.
Yeah.
Take pictures of the candy.
We can do a cartwheel? No, but we can try.
I can teach you.
The crowd is going wild. The crowd is going wild.
But that one's harder. That's why I want you to jump.
That one's harder.
I will do a backflip.
Yeah, I really can't. Okay, that leap. Alright.
That's how you do it, guys. Moms.
Post water review by everybody. Shamar,
Yes.
how's the water so far?
Water did alright though. I mean, I came out. That's why I'm looking kind of relatively dry. I'm come out for trying to float this. It's like float is something. But yeah, it's okay.
Look at my hair.
It's wet. Cute though.
What a salt. Tier than normal.
How's the water for you?
Been good.
Yeah.
The people here are pretty cool. They're chill. So somebody here went on a supermarket run for us to get some stuff. Not gonna lie, I really wish I had carried my tripod. I need a thumbnail, so I'm gonna try and enlist the help of these people in the water.
Oh my god!
Not the water getting on the screen. As a sumo. As a sumo.
Jamara, look.
Yeah.
Woo! I want to try one of them.
You good, man? You good, man?
I'm too.
Not gonna lie, it's been really fun so far. I'm not sure what time it is. I think we got here like probably like after 10 minutes to 11 or so. It's probably like after 1 by now. Brianna is now awake. So the thing with this beach is that it has like this swing here in this shop. Woo.
I'm scared. I don't know.
You scared?
If you can hold
I'm gonna try. If it can hold me, it can hold you. I mean, be the test.
Did you wipe off the lens? We'll take a picture using my camera.
Nice. Guess this is why they call it the boardwalk.
Welcome to
My crib.
MTV crib.
Ooh.
Okay, now we're on the balcony, of course.
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to go into the first rooms, but that's private, so you guys can only see right here. As you can see, we have a nice view of the ocean.
The sea.
A nice view of the sea.
No, today just was such a it's a day I will remember, you know? You know, I remember the sun and how bright and hot it was. I remember the beach. I remember the water. The blue and the greens coming together, and wow, salt water. Woo, spiky. Yeah. I'll remember how I feel just being with my friends and like we're just vibing and chilling and you know doing all these nice things with each other, you know. Just, you know, it's
Good old
really
days.
being a part of a group and being a part of you know being with people who care about you and you can like really have fun, you know. Yeah.
Real. For me, it's been pretty good.
So redundant. So redundant. But you already have to change clothes.
I can change it right now. Make it a +10.
Later.
Below?
That was looking right on my.
We've just been in the water the whole time. Oop. See it. I know you can see it. For the most part, we've literally just been in the water. Like, just enjoying ourselves. So that's why next time I go in the water, I'll carry my phone and get some of that action. That water action. The water action. That water action.
1 hour later.
We're currently so go and chill by a festival from one of those guys that go around on the beach until the festival. Alicia basically showed
I
up.
changed.
She changed into something dry.
Yeah, I was having hives.
Our skin did that irritate her. Yeah, she know. It was also washed off. There, Annie. Fair enough. Dogs. Chanel, I have an idea.
So girl, it's hard to do the right thing when the pressure's coming down like lightning. It's like they want me to be perfect.
Update, I have changed off. The sand was way too itchy. So I changed off into my dry clothes. We called the taxi. Well, the taxi man called us actually to check in on us, but we're like, yeah, ready. So we told him to make his way over, and he's coming from like Kingston, so, and it's like 5 o'clock on a Friday evening, so it might take him like 30 minutes or so to reach back over here. But yeah, it was a good day, I won't lie. Rihanna and Darren are in the water right now. Alicia and
Darren.
Big up Darren.
Or otherwise Dari.
Yeah, big up Darren.
Or Dizzy.
Or Dizzy.
One Dizzy.
One Dizzy.
Understand Dizzy. You understand?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Alright.
Advice from Boardwalk Beach.
Yeah, man. Boardwalk.
G then say your annual settings. I will just make it a mad settings. Up full. So you say this is the vlog?
This is the vlog.
This is the vlog.
This is the vlog.
So I just have to big up your ass, Darani.
Yeah.
My name is Darren. You see me? Big up Darani, you see?
Big up Darren.
Anyway, I'm there.
Danny being out in the water right now. Alright, guys. I started a little intense cleanup operation of the beach right now. Right. Well, everybody ready?
Yeah, man.
Ready?
I wear dry.
And we're dry. Chanel. Give us a wave, Chanel.
It's all good, man. Alicia, here you go.
Ooh, I have a song. I have a song.
You get to the
I'm going to sign out now. The taxi come. You never left for stranded on the road. And that is what matters. Thank you guys for watching my cross view.